Hello, lovely flowers. Today we got two new orders. We're gonna go ahead, package them, and deliver them. Stay tuned. All right, so here I have all the things ready. These are the bonnets. Well, one person ordered this blue bonnet, and another one ordered a shower cap. So I have the packaging material and my business card and my pens ready to go. Alright, so this will be quick and easy. So let's go ahead and get it done. Gonna write my words on a business card. Okay, this is for the shower cap. This is for the okay. I forgot one thing on the card. I usually fill in my hearts. I know it's a little silly, but just a little something I like to do, so I'll go ahead and do it. Alright. There you go. All set. Actually, I forgot something real quick, so. Alright, so we're gonna do the shout out in person. I'm not gonna write it towards the end. So let me go ahead and package them, and then we'll do the shout out for the people who purchased and supported my business. You know what? One second. Okay, yeah. Okay, for this one, shout out to Saphir, Sapphire, all the way from Los Angeles. Thanks for supporting me. And if you're watching this, comment a heart down there so I know that you watched this video. Here it is, Saphir, and the bonnet. Shout out to, hold on a second, let me put it in the back first. Okay, and then I fold the top. My little notes and card. Okay, for the bonnets, shout out to Sheridan, Cheridan, all the way from Fortston, Georgia. Thanks for your support. Thank you so much. You'll be getting your bonnet in 3 days, or it could be less, depending on those postal office workers. All right, let's go ahead and put it in the bag, and we are done. Woo-hoo. This one was easy, right? Oh, actually, I put it the wrong way. All right. Okay, we're almost done.
Try it. Try it. Oh.
Okay, guys, we're done with the bonnets, so we're gonna go ahead and deliver them. All right, guys, someone else is taking them to the post office today for me because I didn't have time. Well, I don't have time, so I'll go ahead and deliver them. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notification. Bye. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share this video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and for those of you who supported my business and bought things for me, thank you for supporting my small business. Bon voyage.